when you are doing that, you can either take that, and if you are going into this strategies for success for your coming year. Right? Now, for those of you guys, I just want to is that BB1, he says, has 2,200. Alright, okay, good. Now, before I introduce our next speaker today, I just want to remind everybody because it's very fun.
To be here with you guys today. I'm Shamit. So, I saw that Raymond introduced about himself, both currently and when you were high school.
There's not too much Instagram, so I found it. I just go to malls and walk around, look at the new shoes.
We have to be aware that the stages, because we have to say that these stages are 3 different places.
So actually we learned that there are a lot of funnels and ways to create a more sales channel.
For these past 2 days, I think this is one of the best seminar that I've ever attended throughout my life. Because you touched 2 different pain points that actually were blind spots for us small business owners. From how good?
Well, I think what I did, we never really did a promotion part before, so I think it's a big diamond learning for me.
We need to play the people, the emotion. So I'm grateful for that lesson that you given to us for that, and thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys either in the lead program or in November. Have a great rest of the year. Bye-bye.